Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Windows 11. So just tap on right. Now here you can see personalization, so just tap on it. Now here you can see many options like background, colors, themes, lock screen, touch keyboard, start. So just tap on the themes. Now here you can see many themes like teal, bright, blue. So just tap on the theme that you want or select the theme that you want. Okay, so now here you can see four options: background, sounds, color, mouse. So now just tap on background and you can add slideshow. Okay, so this is how you can change theme in Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.